Eating with Lydia by my side. Today is Sunday, 3 August 2025, and I'm Tanis, she, her, hers of sale, and this is Lidia Bastianich, whose YouTube channel I subscribe to, and watch. She makes recipe kind of food videos, and I really love pear and I really love mango, and so she has some really good pears recipes I enjoy watching. And while I go through this, I'm going to have a Builder's chocolate peanut butter protein bar. I've done one of these or actually two of these in the past, 2 in one video with my Lewis Hamilton, and now an Italiana, an Italian, strong Italian woman. And here she's making pear bread pudding, and it looks like the pears over here, like just based on the screenshot of the screen grab from the video, I would guess Bosc pears is the pear being used in the pear bread pudding. And I was like, yeah, it's a really good one. Pears are an interesting fruit to include because they have variety in texture, skin color, like brown, green, red. I kind of enjoy recipes where the skin of the pear gets left on. And so it's kind of, and it allows for color variation of the recipe. And something I like about her YouTube videos in general, the channel, this video was on when I took the screenshot of the screen grab, is on my featured channels, or was as of when I filmed this / check my featured channels. The protein bar is very peanut buttery today. I like it. And one thing I like about her videos is if it's an Italian recipe, she might talk about like the meaning of a noodle, or what region it comes from in Italy, or where to get ingredients. And I think that's very cool. I really appreciate that commitment to one's ethnicity, and not just like putting it out there to kind of sell it, but actually be like, here's some culture behind it. Meaning. They're like meaningful recipes. If for none other than helping me understand Italia and the food of Italia. And my Lewis Hamilton says, if I let him be a stay-at-home husband, he might make a lot of pear recipes. And specifically, he might even have to try all of her pear recipes, cooking them for me. As I build him a Formula 1 race car. You know. The river otter goes, I'll try them. The recipe too. Don't forget about me. Our female river otter. There is more than one type of otter. There are sea otters and there are river otters, which basically, because it's all this otter inland, further inland, I called it river otter, and it was bigger than the sea otters I saw growing up out on the dock when we were on our boat. So, there we go. This was today I'll give this one a 101 out of 10. It was very, very good. Where's the next one? Okay. Anyway, thank you for joining Lydia and Tanis and Lydia for this dining with.